Now, make this hole through this component over here. So let me just hide this, click on this, right click, hide. So zoom into here, and remember, this is a component, okay? You cannot push pull into a component, so you need to right click on it, explode it. Okay, so this is no longer a component. Notice if I click, only the surface is highlighted, not the whole component. So what I will do now is I go together, push pull, right? The thickness of this is 30. So if I make a component that is true, okay, if I move my push pull tool here, circle is highlighted, click on it, and notice if I move beyond 30, it's extruded, a rod is extruded out, which I don't want. So I can either key 30, press enter, or I can move my cursor. Once my cursor reach any point on this edge here, which is the other surface, 30 mm away, I click. So I just see. So notice a true hole, okay, has been produced. So similarly, I got to go make this back in a component, triple click on it, right click, make component. Okay. Once I've done that, I'll draw a rod through this component and into the other component that's hidden. So I'll orbit it. Okay, it's best you orbit it until you can see the horizon. So I go and get a circle. So similarly, you can either find for the icon or press C for the circle. Now, I go to the intersection here. Because I want to draw a circle perpendicular to the red axis, okay, the circle shown here must be red. It cannot be any other color. Okay, cannot be a black. If it orientates to the curve, then it's actually a black circle. So to the center of component, click and I move it out. Once I move out to anywhere on the circumference, it's actually 2 mm away. I click. So I've drawn a circle. So next, what I do is this, push pull, or better yet, let me make a copy of this circle. Okay, double click on it. Okay, double click the circumference and the surface area must be highlighted. Go to get a move tool. Okay, goes to the circle, press Ctrl, hold, click, and it must be along the red axis. And I key in 210, 210 mm, enter. So I've actually make a copy of the circle 210 mm away. So now what I do is this, zoom into here, go together, push pull tool. Okay, surface is highlighted. Must make sure that the surface is highlighted. Basically, it tells you that this is the surface you want to push pull. So I click on this, I'll pull in, and I key 40, and I press enter. Wrong, 40, enter. Okay. So now zoom extend again, and orbit it. Notice I've drawn a rod that is 40 mm long. Why 40 mm long? Because this is 10 mm wrong, this is 30 mm. And we actually draw a hole 10 mm deep. So now I'm going to make this rod in a component. So 1, 2, 3 clicks, right click, make component, create. So similarly, it goes over to here, go to get a push-pull tool, click 40, enter. So again, I've drawn another rod 40 mm. Triple click on this, push, right click, make component. So now what I can do is can unhide those components that are hidden. So unhide all. Okay. Having done that, what I'll do is this. I'm gonna make a copy of. So I go to select. I'll make a copy of this part, and I press Shift and hold, and I select this part. So these are the two parts I'm gonna make copy of. So go to Move, key, go to this corner here. I press Ctrl and hold, click, let go my left hand, and I move it over to here. This is the point where I want the copy to join. Click.